guys, what's up? Welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi, and as you all know, the festive season is right around the corner. So I thought, hey, let's try doing a facial at home because I know this year a lot of people, including myself, they don't prefer going to the salons. And I got my hands on a home facial kit, so you can basically do facial at home itself. So the facial kit which I've picked up for myself today is the Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit. I specifically picked this one up because I don't know if you're following me on Instagram or not. Very recently, I actually went on a bike ride, and because of all the pollution exposure and everything, you know how bike rides are, right? My skin has suddenly started looking so drab. Like this is how my skin is looking right now. Usually my skin looks a lot better than this. So I just thought that a little bit of detoxification of the skin, especially because of all the pollution exposure that I've gotten, charcoal would be a fantastic ingredient. I love charcoal in my skincare routine anyway. So yes, this is the facial kit I'll be trying out today. I've never used it before, so I'm very eager to see how this thing works out. Having said that, there is one more variant which I will not be using today, but just to quickly let you know, this is the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit, which promises to give you spotless bright skin. So I'll not be using this one today. However, I'll share both the links with all the details and everything in the description box below if you want to check it out. So let's look at these steps and see where it takes us and how my skin looks and just what happens. Just keep watching. The first step is obviously using a face wash, for which we have this Deep Pore Cleansing Face Wash. It contains vitamin E apart from charcoal to remove surface impurities. So just gonna take a little bit right here. I'm just gonna wash my face. For the next step, we have a scrub, obviously. Now, this is a scrub which contains walnut shell powder to gently exfoliate all those dead skin cells away. So I'm just going to take a little bit once again. Walnut, by the way, is amazing when you want to exfoliate your skin. So yeah, just gonna scrub my face. So guys, I'm gonna massage this and I'm gonna, okay, you know what? The particles are like really tiny. It's actually very relaxing on the skin. Yeah. Okay, so guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrub my skin for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can do this if you do it gently, and the scrub is actually really like very fine particles. Okay, so I'm just gonna scrub my skin for 5 to 7 minutes and get back to you after that for the next step. And here it is, guys, just done cleaning, massaging, exfoliating my skin. Oh god, this felt so good, because I don't know if you've ever experienced this or not. Like, I'm very aware of how my skin is feeling and what my skin is trying to tell me. So for the last few days, my pores had been like crying for help. I could tell that my skin is just crying for help. And this exfoliating thing just felt so good. Exfoliating my face just felt so good. And charcoal is amazing for the skin when you have pollution related thing going on your skin, and walnut is definitely one of my all-time favorite ingredients when it comes to scrubbing and exfoliating. Anyways, moving to the next step. I don't know if you can tell the difference on camera or not. I definitely feel a lot more fresh. For the next step, we have the Pond's Nourishing Creme. So I'm just once again gonna take a little bit, and by the way guys, can I just pause here to mention something? I love the fact that these steps, like with the most home facial kits that you get these days, the products, they actually come in sachets. So once you open it, you have to finish all of it, and usually there's a lot of wastage. Here, because it comes in these tiny tubes, you can just take however amount, as much amount as you need, and then you can just shut it close, and that's it. So that makes it like really handy. So yeah, just taking a bit of, actually I'll take a little bit more. Again, I really like how this smells. It's a very lightweight formula, very lightweight. Okay. So I'm just gonna massage my skin with this as well. So guys, now that my skin has absorbed it all, I'll move to the next step. So this is a Pond's Deep Massage Cream. It contains glycerin and oat extract to moisturize the skin and give the skin a healthy glow. So this one I'm just gonna take a little bit more than usual, because my skin tends to be like really dry, okay? So just a little bit more than what one would want to take usually. Okay guys, so I've been massaging my face for the last 10 to 15 minutes and this feels so relaxing. It's so much about self-pampering, self-love. Don't you think? I think one of the best things about facial is how it just makes you feel so loved and so relaxed. So usually, when I'm doing facial at home, I like to switch on some music and it just really helps me calm down. So guys, massaging your skin with a cream is a very important step because it moisturizes your skin. It also helps with the blood circulation. If you have sagging skin, if you have skin aging issues, it will help with that too. So it just helps you lift up your skin, brighten up your skin, moisturize your skin and just improve the blood flow. So you get, much better glowing, happier looking skin, right? So now that I'm done with the massage, my skin again has pretty much absorbed it all because my skin tends to be so dry. I'm just going to take a clean cotton pad and wipe off whatever excess is there. Alright. So while I was massaging, I sprayed water for a few times, obviously. So just keep in mind, you might have to do the same thing as well. I already feel so good. Then we have the peel off mask. Okay, this is a peel off mask that we have for the next step. The Pond's charcoal peel off mask is enriched with bamboo charcoal and it is designed to remove blackheads and to brighten the skin. Now removing blackheads is something which I can definitely do it today. God, I haven't used a peel off mask in such a long time. For some reason I just haven't. Okay. So just gonna apply a very thin layer. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and see you in 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Bye. And guys, for the last and final step, we have the finishing creme. This is the Pond's Pollution Protect Cream, which claims to help protect the skin from pollution and also restore glow. So I'm just gonna take just a little bit of this cream now, just a little bit. I'm just gonna massage this in. And guys, that's it. That is the facial routine. And I think my skin is definitely looking and feeling a lot better. It's feeling light, it's feeling refreshed. It's feeling a lot better. Let me show you how my skin was looking when I just started the routine. This was how my skin was looking at the beginning and this is how my skin is looking now. So I think there's a visible improvement in how my skin is looking and how I'm feeling. It's a lot better. And to think of it guys, like I just told you, this one facial kit retails for rupees 300 and like I showed you, the packaging is extremely premium. Usually facial kits, they sell these packages in sachets. So once you cut them open, you have to use it all up, which leads to a lot of wastage here because everything comes in these tubes. You can actually keep it all sealed and tightly locked till you want to use it again. And honestly, looking at how much I've used, I can easily use this for 2 to 3 times more, at least 2 times more. So this one facial kit will actually give you at least 3 facials. So 3 facials for a total price of rupees 300. I think that makes it super affordable. Plus, you're definitely getting salon-like facial at home. Okay guys, so that's all I wanted to share. I'll put all the details and everything of what I've tried out today in the description box below. And this was using the Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit. Like I said, they also have the Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit. So if you want to try out the Brightening Facial Kit instead of the Pollution one, you can just check this out as well. And yeah, that's about it. I think I'm done for the facial for this festive season. Nothing else required for my skin. Let me know in the comment section below guys what you thought of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, if this was fun, I know it was a lot of fun for me to try out, to see how my skin just kept transforming after every step. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye.